Hi everyone, I'm Eva. Today we are going to Asahiyama Zoo in Hokkaido. We are driving a rental car, but we have a big problem. Can we see the flying penguins? Today's keywords are junction, miss the exit, and waddle. Let's find out.
Welcome to Daily English Flow.
The rental car is here. Thank you for the reservation, Hero.
You're welcome. I made the reservation online. Hokkaido roads are wide, but be careful at junctions.
This car is very spacious. It's perfect. And I have a great plan for today.
Did you check the GPS? Is it in English?
Of course. It's all set.
Mark, I made some rice balls for your lunch.
Oh, thank you, Hero. That's very kind of you.
Itterashai. Have a safe trip.
Itekimasu. Let's go.
I hope we see a lot of penguins today. Remember Otaru?
Yes! Only 5 penguins were walking. They were so free and lazy.
They were cute, but I want to see a big parade today.
Hokkaido is so beautiful and so big.
In 500 meters, take the exit on the left.
500 meters. 400. Is this it? Is this the exit?
Mark, slow down. The sign says Asahikawa North Exit.
Oh no. I missed it. We passed the exit.
Oh no, Dad. Your great plan is ruined. Look at the map.
Recalculating. Please take the next exit.
The next exit? It's 10 kilometers away. Oh no. I'll take the next exit and turn around.
Don't be discouraged, Mark. Accidents happen. Let's enjoy the view for 10 more minutes.
Whew. That was a bit crazy, but we finally made it. Here we are, Asahiyama Zoo.
Hurry! I want to see the polar bear first.
Wow, he is jumping into the water. Look at his big paws.
He is so big and white. He is a strong diver. Look, he's diving and playing with a styrofoam box.
So cute.
Mom, look at this big tube.
Is it a seal?
Yes, it's swimming through the tube.
This seal is sleeping. He is falling down. Good night, Mr. Seal. I'm a little scared of the wolf forest. Do you hear that? They are howling.
It's so cool.
They look like big dogs. They are very strong.
Look at the tiger. He is so majestic. He's right in front of us. So close.
Oh, he's staring right at me. So cool, but a little scary.
Look at those stripes. He is beautiful.
He is a strong hunter. Wow, Look at the snow leopard. Is it a big cat?
Yes, but it's very rare. Oh, it's stretching.
Wow, look at his tail. It's so long and thick.
They use their tails for balance and to stay warm.
Jack, look up. The penguins are flying.
Wow, they are so fast in the water.
Look, the zookeeper is feeding the penguins underwater.
It says the food is krill.
Wait, I think that Japanese sign is upside down.
You're right. But look at the penguins. They look so happy swimming.
And look outside. The parade is starting.
1, 2, 3, 10, and so many more. There are so many penguins.
Yeah, they're waddling. So cute. This is such a big parade. We had so much fun today. The penguins and the polar bear were amazing.
Let's buy some souvenirs before we go home.
Yay! I want a penguin plushie.
Tadaima! We're back! Driving was hard, but it was fun.
Hokkaido, welcome back. Come in, have some tea, and tell us all about your trip. How was the zoo?
It was amazing. We saw the flying penguins.
We saw a polar bear and wolves, too.
Okay. Slow down, you two. My bad for asking right now. I want to hear everything, but let's go inside first, okay? So, didn't you get lost?
The GPS was a little hard to follow.
He missed the exit.
Oh no, but you made it back. I'm glad you're safe.
Thank you.
Today was a big adventure. We got lost, but we found the flying penguins. They were much faster than Dad's car. If you liked our zoo adventure, please subscribe. See you soon. Bye for now.